Well, hello everybody, this is Art Workentine with RISC. Today I'm going to demonstrate the use of our brand new cmi5 importer to get an entire cmi5 course imported into the VTA system. You can see I've opened up the catalog area in back office. I'm going to go to Course Utilities, and from Course Utilities I'll choose Import cmi5 Course. Now, when you import, you can either overlay an existing course, and the importer will of course give you a warning before you do that, or you can create a new course, which is what I'm going to do in this case. So I'm going to choose the technical area that I've created. I've got an Earth Sciences subject, and then I'm going to assign a new course code, and I will give a short title to the course of geology. There's a new long title field that actually gets imported from the cmi5 file, and I'll show that in a minute. Next, I'll click the import button. Up comes my import window. Let me center this, and you can import a zip file like with a SCORM course where all of the learning assets are inside the zip and get posted on the server. But I think one of the more exciting aspects of cmi5 is where content resides somewhere else on the internet than your LMS domain. And in that case, you only need to import an XML file, which is what I'm going to do here. So I've got a sample cmi5 XML with a pretty complex course structure in it, and I'll choose that and click import. And I get the message that it's already done. Let's go see what it created. Over in my course catalog, here's my geology course that we just imported. It's got all the standard data about a course and the title, and here's our new long title field. This is the course code that we chose to put it in. We've got a course description that also came out of the import file. And something that's very interesting in a cmi5 course is that you can have multiple languages in the same import file. So here's my German version of the same course with a description in German, title, and a long title in German. So what else got imported? Well, we've got objectives in the cmi5 import file, and here I've got the 4 objectives of the course. And if I take a look at one of these, I've got the English version of the objective as well as the German version of the objective. Last, let's take a look at the lessons that are associated with this course. And here you can see the complex block structure that cmi5 is capable of implementing with our import. So I've got a block called Geologic Materials and an assignable unit here called Rock and Rock Cycle. Let's take a look at that one. I've got the lesson. It's also an option here as well to have a long title, a new feature in the VTA back office systems. We've got a description field here, we've got the link to launch the course, and we have cmi5 AU properties like the move on criteria, launch method, etc. Also, I've got some of this data available in German, so I've got the long title and the description. The rest of the course is the same. Other properties are the same as they are in the English version. Lastly, I've got the ability in cmi5 to associate objectives with an assignable unit or with a block. So here I've got an objective from the course itself that's been linked to this block 4, and so this objective will be covered by this particular block of AUs. So that's an example of our cmi5 importer running in the new VTA back office. Hope you enjoyed it. Appreciate your listening.